wait, I'll call you back.
What happened?
तबीयत सॉलिड खराब हो गई है.
Let me figure out how to make a good soup for you, okay? I'll ask Sanjeev uncle for help.
Hello? Hi, Sanjeev uncle. I wanted your tip quickly because Tanu is not keeping well and I wanted to make a chicken soup for her, but I didn't know how to make it more wholesome. You know she wouldn't eat it otherwise. So, कुछ suggestion है?
Actually, उसको healthy, wholesome बनाने के लिए you can add some vegetables to it. Actually, अदरक बड़ा अच्छा काम कर सकता है. अदरक है, अगर lemon grass, black pepper. So add some vegetables, थोड़ा flavor लेके आओ, and she'll be fine.
That's it. That'll help her. That actually sounds wonderful. मैं अभी जाके shopping करके आती हूँ. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. After all this lovely shopping, fresh सब्जियाँ लेने का ना अब मुझे समझ आता है मेरी मॉम को इतना मज़ा क्यों आता था. I never understood what was so fun about it. But now I can do quickly. I can put the chicken to get done. It's always so important for hygiene. मतलब this is a no-brainer. सफाई तो बनती ही है. तो मैं इन सबको धो के आती हूँ फटाफट से. Okay, this looks lovely, nice and fresh. Now I have to quickly get started on the chicken क्योंकि भाई this is gonna take the most amount of time. You go inside. The lemongrass tip was just such a savior. I'm going to have my moment with it. I'm going to kill you. Let me chop you a little more. A little more. That's a lot of muscle power that I might not have. Okay, आप वापस जाएं. आप इसमें जाएं. I love some good ginger. Yes. इसको भी थोड़ा सा मैं काट देती हूँ. Otherwise, I'm going to struggle with this. Yes. Just look at this. Lovely. इसको ज़रूरत है थोड़ी पेपर की. ये रहा पेपर. चलो सॉल्ट भी सीजन तो करना ही है मुझे. थोड़ा सा डाल देती हूँ. This is gonna be nice and spicy. All जिंदगी की भड़ास is gonna come out now. She's been so sick lately. I feel she is the energy of the house and मुझे करना पड़ेगा उसका पूरा compensation. So I'm going to do some dancing. Let me pour this inside ताकि मैं फटाफट से I can get the broth to get started. Smells so good. This lemongrass is so fresh, so flavorful. I'm gonna put you on. While this is happening, so I can get to the prep of the rest of the veggies because this girl needs to get some good food in her belly. I mean, she's always the one who's mothering me. I don't understand how can someone be so giving. You know, being the elder sister and the dedicated younger sister that she is, I always got the special treatment. So she would always make sure that I'm well fed, well hydrated, but never have I ever gotten the chance to return the favor because she's always so good at it. So now that she is sick, I think I finally get the chance to be able to do that. And I'm more than happy to make her something hearty, wholesome. Isn't soup the best thing ever? She would also get sare vitamins, minerals, and all the protein because of the chicken, you know. I wouldn't lie. I love getting all that special treatment. Which is also why I feel she is the one who is more patient in the kitchen. And मुझे तो बस one pot recipes दे दो मैं फटाफट से करके निकल जाऊँ. I don't have the patience in the kitchen. Just look at this broccoli. Looks so lovely. Adds so much beautiful color and not to forget all that fiber in the body. So good for the tummy. Yeah. So also in addition, I'm realizing कि I'm not the one who's sick. So I need something very fulfilling. I really hope कल रात के चावल बचे होंगे. So you know I can make like a nice hearty, soupy plus stewy dish for myself. Just look at this lovely colorful palette. I mean, पहले तो आप आंखों से खाना खाते हो ना. It looks so satisfying. I love it. I think it's done. I should just switch it off. इसका एक्स्ट्रा सामान मैं निकाल देती हूँ. फ्लेवर का हो गया काम. You can smell it. The flavor smells so strong, so fresh. Oof, गरम गरम गरम। तो मैं कर देती हूँ श्रेड जब तक ये हो रहा है। इतना गरम मेरे से तो हैंडल नहीं होता अच्छे से, सो थैंक गॉड फॉर फोक्स। Yes, so my chicken is finally done. What a workout that was. Get ready for my plating. Not yet. I wish it was so simple. चलो, अब आप होते रहें। All the smell is making me also hungry. मुझे भी अभी खाना खाना है. So I'll prep my plate along with hers. Feel like this chicken and rice, वैसे ही it's one of my favorite things to eat. Plus this lemongrass and ginger and pepper broth. Oh, I'm gonna have a lovely meal tonight. तबीयत किसी और की खराब है, फायदा मेरा हो रहा है. I love it. थोड़ा मैं इसको सीजन करने का टाइम आ गया है, I think, and it's also looking ready. So I'm gonna switch it off. While doing this, I realize मैंने तो चिकन को भी सीजन नहीं किया. क्या ब्लैंड रहेगा ये नहीं तो. It's time to serve some soup to the sick one and the not so sick one. Some prettiness, some more color. I love the color the greens pop out in my plate. उसका ख्याल रख के tending to her is such a different form of a love language through food. This soup feels like a hug in a bowl. थोड़ा extra pepper हो जाए. It looks colorful, it smells lovely, and I hope it tastes good. Done, done.